The Options dialog box is a centralized location where you access and change settings or drawings for your installation of AutoCAD. There are 10 tabs in the dialog box, each containing a category of related settings and options. So if you right-click, and on the default shortcut menu go down to the bottom there to Options, there is your Options dialog box. You have Files, Display, Open and Save, Plot and Publish, System, User Preferences, Drafting, 3D Modeling, Selection, and Profiles. I'll go back to Files now. There are 10 tabs in total. Now the settings that are saved in the current drawing have a blue drawing icon to their left. So if I click on Display, for example, this little blue and yellow icon here, these are settings in the current drawing. So if I go across each tab, you can see those settings are there. Now they are blue, but there's also the yellow bit there now in newer versions of AutoCAD. But it's primarily the blue bit that you need to keep your eye out for, especially if you're working with older versions of AutoCAD that only have a blue symbol there rather than blue and yellow. Okay, so this is the Options dialog box. Let's have a quick look at it now. We have Files there. So those are the folders where AutoCAD looks for information. If you've done a default installation of AutoCAD, that is where you'll find your files. Display relates to things that display on the screen. Open and Save. Self-explanatory, as you can see, Save As, Automatic Save, File Safety Precautions. Plot and Publish, where you're plotting to, what plot settings you use. System settings, things like current system pointing device, 3D performance. User preferences, so we've got right-click customization there, for example, and associative dimensioning. Drafting settings, things like the size of your snap marker size and your aperture size in your drawing area. 3D modeling, 3D crosshairs, display view cube or UCS, and so on. Selection, how you select objects, what your grips are colored like. And also profiles, you can set up individual profiles while you're working in AutoCAD. I'm going to click on OK there now. And that's your Options dialog box explained. What we're going to do now for the next set of exercises is go through those tabs and actually go through how those settings work.